Struggle is real, boss.
Hello, can you hear me, guys?
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, आपको 1:30 बजे आके पहुंचे थे इस होटल पे। सो दिस इज़ होटल धर्म मुक्ति। सो ये एकदम स्टेशन के पास, अपना रक्सौल स्टेशन के एकदम पास है। सो वी लकीली गॉट अ फ्यू रूम्स। एकदम प्रॉपर लॉक पार्किंग है। सो ऑल आवर बाइक्स विद ऑल आवर लगेज वर इनसाइड हियर। ही एपिसोड चल रहा है बाइक साफ़ करने का, सो बेसिकली चेन साफ़ करने का। आई जस्ट गॉट माई बाइक चेन क्लीन्ड एंड लुक बहुत ही गंदा है, आई नो, कांट हेल्प इट। बारिश में बहुत देर चलाना पड़ा था कल रात को। सो दिस इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ द बाइक्स। बेसिक मेंटेनेंस अभी भी चल रहा है। सो अभी तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, जैसे गंदे हैं रहने दो। अभी जाना है रक्सौल बॉर्डर पे, कराना है पंचर और चेंज कराना है करेंसी फ्रॉम इंडियन टू नेपाली। होपफुली वी विल बी लीविंग द बॉर्डर बाय वी विल बी लीविंग 11 o'clock, बॉर्डर 11 o'clock।
वेल डन, तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए।
प्लानिंग टू लीव बाई 11:30 एंड पोखरा पहुंचने में हम लोग को 5 घंटे तो लगेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग रोड पे बहुत जगह रुकने वाले हैं। वी जस्ट एंटरिंग नेपाल। व्यूज़ तो बहुत मस्त होने वाले हैं। सो एक और बाइक का भी लूप चल रहा है। दिस इज़ हाउ वी आर डूइंग इट। सैडली भाई के पास सेंटर स्टैंड मिडिल स्टैंड है नहीं। सो दिस इज़ द KTM टेक नोट।
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा।
Bikes are ready, everything is packed up. We'll just get our helmets in here and we'll be off to Rexall border. हो गया? Done. So everyone's ready. How's the Josh? This is high. कल रात को 2-3 घंटा का नींद हुआ है ना, so everyone is very much full of energy. This guy hadn't slept for how many days? You haven't slept properly?
About a week now. Struggle is real, boss.
Hopefully आज रात को हम लोग सब आराम से सो पाएंगे। So next stop is Rexall border for the concert and for the construction. Bye bye. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा चीज़ हम लोग को मिल गया कि वी डिडंट हैव टू क्रॉस द रेलवे क्रॉसिंग पर से। सो ऊपर से एक ओवरब्रिज जाता है जिसके ऊपर से हम लोग बाइक लेके जा पाए। सो वी डिडंट हैव टू वेट फॉर द ट्रेन टू पास बिकॉज हम लोग के टाइम पे ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर गेट गिर गया था। सो फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैड दिस ब्रिज एज अ सेवियर। सो एज यू कैन सी ऑल द बाइक्स आर क्रॉसिंग थ्रू दिस ब्रिज, ओवर दिस ब्रिज। सो या, गुड इनिशिएटिव बाय द गवर्नमेंट नियर रक्सौल बॉर्डर। कुडोस टू यू गाइस। Okay, we just entered the Nepal border. Okay, so as you can see that मेरा बाइक चेंज हो गया है because one of my friends जिसका बाइक है उत्सव, he forgot his driving license at the hotel. So last दिन चेक इन करते वक्त लाइसेंस दिया और निकलते वक्त लाना भूल गए। So कोई नहीं, he took my bike to bring back his license and बात करते करते you can see that we have reached Nepal, guys. That's gonna be the monument which depicts the friendship between India and Nepal. So let's take a quick stop here. Let me show you the place. Let's click a few pictures and also wait for my bike to arrive.
It's not RGHV, it's Ranka.
So now we're off to Banswara. Two of our friends have already went out there to get the Banswara created.
Like you never did on the story, no prayers. Now it's over with, there's nothing I can say to you. Stay till, shawty
Bansar office, and my friend just got the Bansars created. So I'll give you a bit of an information on how to create the Bansar, what to do with currency exchange, and just in case if you don't have your bike in your own name, what needs to be done. So Soumik, if you could help the viewers with letting them know what to do in the Bansar office and what not.
So at first you would need your RC. You would have to take your RC to the enquiry office that is here. From there they will give you a receipt where they will mention the number of dates that you want to visit for the number of days. Sorry.
What's the tariff? I mean,
It is, I'm coming to that. Okay. So along with that they will write the bike name. That receipt you will have to take to the inside, to the counters, where they are going to start processing your Bansar with your RC. Per day it is 200 Nepali rupees. Nothing more. They should not charge you anything extra. Now depending upon the number of days that you're going to be staying, they are going to charge you accordingly. And they also, the other thing is they do not accept INR out here. You would have to exchange your money before you come to the Bansar office because they will only take NPR from you.
and one more information. Let's say if you don't have your own bike, or let's say you're bringing your father's bike, your brother's bike, or someone else's bike. So what needs to be done? So I have my friend here, Samira. So his bike is under his mom's name. So he'll tell you what needs to be done if the bike is not under your name. So over to you, Sam.
They basically didn't ask about any kind of proof for the bike's owner details or something. Just took the RC. RC लेके बस परमिट देगा. बाइक का नंबर शो होना चाहिए. इन लोग के पास कैमरा है ऊपर लगा हुआ है. कैमरे के सामने बाइक रहेगा, उससे बस नंबर प्लेट और आरसी मिलाएगा.
और कुछ एफिडेविट का कुछ होता है ना किसी और के नाम पे?
अभी तक तो इधर तो बंसर ऑफिस में मांगा नहीं है.
वो शायद आरटीओ में लगे तब ना.
आरटीओ, लेट्स गो टू द आरटीओ ऑफिस. आई डोंट नो इफ दे आर आस्किंग देयर, देन वी हैव टू शो दैट आई हैव दैट कैरिंग. सो लाइक दैट्स.
So basically एक एफिडेविट बनाना पड़ेगा just to make sure that the bike has been authenticated to you, authorized to you, and that's about it. So right now we will move over to the currency exchange. He already has converted a few bucks to get the Bansar and all done. So we'll move over, get the entire currency changed so that we can spend something in Nepal at least.
A few moments later.
Hello. So what happened is there was a small mishap. Soumik dropped the mic and the adapter and it cracked. So post this, the wireless mic which I was using, it had stopped working. So yeah, I thought that the trip is a bit doomed here because उसके बाद कोई audio तो record होगा नहीं. But fortunately there was something to my savior. Thankfully I had the DJI Osmo Action 4 which does support most of the USB-C headphones as a mic as well. Oh my god! So हम लोग आए अभी दुकान का नाम क्या है? मुन्ना किराना. So हम लोग आए यहाँ पर बोधिक चैटर्जी का ब्लॉग देख के और बहुत सारे ब्लॉगर्स को देख के. So कस्टम से निकलते हो, I'll show you the location. आप जैसे ही बॉर्डर क्रॉस करते हो, क्रॉस करके मोड़ के जस्ट पहला जो गली है घुस के यहाँ पर मुन्ना किराना. So basically what you can get here is SIM cards and also currency conversion. So मुन्ना भैया से बात करते हैं क्या क्या यहाँ पर हो सकता है. मुन्ना भैया क्या क्या अभी रेट कितना चल रहा है नेपाली रुपीस का?
1.6 चल रहा है.
1.6.
100 का 160.
So यहाँ पर आपका करेंसी कन्वर्शन भी हो जाएगा और सिम दिन सब कुछ मिल जाएगा.
भंसार के लिए भी हेल्प मिल सकता है.
परफेक्ट. बाइक के लिए सिर्फ भंसार चाहिए या आरटीओ से कुछ रोड टैक्स भी कराना पड़ता है?
इससे पहले ट्रिप में आरटीओ लग रहा था, अभी नहीं लग रहा है.
अभी नहीं लग रहा है.
आंदोलन के बाद, स्ट्राइक के बाद नहीं लग रहा है.
अच्छा, स्ट्राइक के बाद अभी नहीं लगेगा. जस्ट अ क्विक अपडेट. If you're coming to Nepal via bike, you just need the Bansar, you don't need the road tax. And ये पहले था ये नियम कि road tax भी कराना पड़ता था, but as of now, as you know, after the last revolution of the Gen Zs, अभी और road tax अलग से नहीं लग रहा है. So just the Bansar. So अभी पता चला एक नया kind of technique है. So they don't have those fingerprint kind of machines. They just took a picture of my finger and somehow पूरा fingerprint आ गया. Technology has advanced so much. Nice. So हो गया सब. Everything has been done. भैया ने बहुत हेल्प किया. मनी कन्वर्जन भी हो गया, सिम्स भी आ गए. 200 Indian rupees is the SIMs tariff. Unlimited data for 7 days. 15 minute call to India free. एक आधार पे 2 SIM, right? एक आधार पे 2 SIM. So everything is done. Conversion completed. SIMs आ गए. And now next stop is gonna be Pokhara. नेक्स्ट नॉट नेक्स्ट स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन पोखरा, नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पता नहीं, जैसे व्यू मिलेगा वैसे ही खड़े हो जाएंगे.
Hello, can you hear me, guys? Welcome back.
20 minutes later.
Everything has been done, completed. Now we are off to our next destination. Kudos to these guys, they helped us a lot. कभी भी नेपाल आते हो भैया से एक बार ज़रूर मिल के जाना. He can help you with all your SIM related issues and currency conversion. So great guy, I would always recommend. And हम लोगों ने हम लोग के ग्रुप का एक छोटा सा कुछ छोड़ा है. Here's our small mark, Hooligans. I hope it's visible. So that's our group's name. So yeah, off to destination Pokhara. Had our breakfast. It says that we will reach there by 7:30. So हम लोग बहुत जगह रुकने वाले हैं. We are gonna enjoy the view as we go. So Nepal ride starts technically now. मेरा माइक का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. So the guy in front of me, as you can see, he's also a YouTuber, Bong Biker Utsav. He helped me with the mic setup. So if you have a DJI Osmo, just letting you know, and if you have some issues with the mic, unlike the GoPro, this can support most of the USB-C mics. So I literally bought one for 350 Nepali rupees. I'll let you know what the conversion is in Indian rupees. So it took us only 350 Nepali rupees, and I got a mic. So basically this is just a USB-C headphone, and this is working as my mic. As of now, we are moving towards Nepal. Oh, small kids. So guys, welcome to Nepal. Destination Pokhara. अब जंगल का रास्ता शुरू हो गया है. सो आई गेस दिस इज द एंटायरिटी इज थ्रू अ जंगल. बाय द वे, जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो, आई जस्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड कि नेपाल में, आई मीन एटलीस्ट अभी तक जो मैंने देखा, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स काम ही नहीं करते क्या, या जहाँ से हम लोग ने क्रॉस किया वहाँ पर ट्रैफिक लाइट्स नहीं जलते, पता नहीं. बट एक भी ट्रैफिक सिग्नल नहीं काम कर रहा था, ना रेड, ना येलो, ना ग्रीन, ना कोई कलर. सो दैट्स समथिंग टू नो इफ यू आर कमिंग टू नेपाल बाय रोड. सो यहाँ पर सिग्नल का ज़्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट शायद है नहीं. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द पारसा नेशनल पार्क. इट्स अ नेशनल पार्क. नाइस. सो दे आर प्रिजर्विंग दिस फॉरेस्ट. गुड गुड गुड. आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ रिजर्व पार्क फॉर एलिफेंट्स. पूरा रास्ता जंगल के बीच में से जा रहा है, as I can see on the map. Okay, I can see the hills. Okay, I can see the hills from here. Okay. पता है बचपन है, पता है it's nothing major. छोटे से पहाड़ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है अभी, क्या बच्चों की तरह कूद रहा है. It's been a few years due to work and responsibilities. I couldn't get a lot of travel done. So unfortunately, the last 4 years I couldn't travel much. Recently I started a business of my own called Bose Motorcraft. So I'm a dealer of all kinds of two-wheeler accessories. So yeah, after I started my own thing, after 4 years I would say, now I finally got some time to go out and do what I love doing the most. This. I can see the hills and I'm feeling like a kid inside after 4 years, seeing the hills again on my bike. তোর ব্যাগ পড়ে গেছে। थोड़ा लगेज का इशू हुआ था बट नाउ इट्स सॉर्टेड सो लेट्स मूव अगेन। यहाँ बहुत बंदर है भाई इधर। बोलो जय श्री राम।
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
सॉरी फॉर दैट। जय श्री राम। Wow.
12 seconds later.
I had a small oops moment. So what I was doing is I was trying to rotate the phone on the holder. Yeah. I snapped it.
Shabash beta.
My bad. I'll get that sorted. I just have to travel without a phone here. It's fine. I have better things to look at.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Okay, so jugaad done. Road quality is not that great. I mean, have a look. I don't know if the camera can justify it properly, but these roads are not that good. I mean, have a look. This part is up, this is down, this is again up. In that respect, Mera Bharat Mahan boss, BRO maintains road very well. That is commendable, I would say then. This is one other thing I'm noticing. I mean, it's very wide. If you see, all the buildings and everything on the road, a bit farther away from the road, and it's very wide. It's a 4-lane, so 2 lane here and 2 lane there, but it's pretty wide, and it looks very nice, very beautiful, man. Just look at this city. It's planned very nicely. मुझे कोई चीज का तो अभी सुगंध आया, खुशबू आई मेरे को, and I'm super hungry after that now. इतने सालों बाद पहाड़ों पे मेरा दिल कहीं पहाड़ों में सच में खो गया था। अब मिल गया वापस, मिल गया दोस्त, मिल गए दोस्त।
लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया।
So as you already saw, we already have entered the hills and we took our lunch break now. So this is the spot and it looks like from outside I know it looks like a small shack, small cafe, but just have a look at the view from the balcony. Look, this is the view from the place where we're gonna have some chai, some Wi-Fi. So we are done with our makeshift lunch. We have some Wi-Fi and some chai. It's good, it's fine. So we are 2.5 hours away from Pokhara. Hopefully we'll reach there in the next 2 hours. Let's see. So let me just... This bike feels at home here. पहाड़ों में इस बाइक का अलग होता है. I know it's not very good on the highway. It doesn't do triple digits all day long. I agree with that. Like सब बोलते हैं ना कि हाथी है ये वो etc slope वो blah 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 whatever it is. I agree. Highway पे वो उतना नहीं हो पाता है. But जब ये पहाड़ों पे ये बाइक आता है ना, I know it's heavy, but that helps. As far as I feel, it feels more planted because of its weight.
And here I'm going to show you why we love riding in the hills.
I feel great, man. Now this is what I was waiting for. Hey guys, so we just reached Pokhara and we have checked into this place. It's Zostel. So this is just nearby the lake. It's a beautiful property. So this place has a guarded secured place for bikes. You can see there are a lot of bikes here. People have been coming from Delhi, from South India and obviously all corners of Nepal. And our bikes are here as well. So I'll show you the property around and I'll also show you the room which we have taken. We also have a new friend here and I'll introduce you to him. So this is our room. So it's a 6-bedroom, so it's a dorm room. So there are 3 bunk beds and this is Johnny. Hey Johnny! This is Johnny. Hey Johnny. Johnny. Okay, he has a bit of an attitude. Right. Now it came back. Attitude, huh? Attitude. Anyways, so this is the property. It's very aesthetically pleasing. So as you can see, this doesn't look like a typical hostel. So there's water flowing below. It's so peaceful. So this is just beside the lake. There's a pool table there as well. So this is the seating area where you can sit, chill, have dinner. There is a billiard pool table as well. People are playing there. And you have people here from, I would say, all over the world in this case. It's a beautiful property. My friends have been here earlier and this is the first time I'm visiting this place. There's a kind of I believe it's kind of a bar. Yeah. So there's a sitting place here and people chilling out at the pool table. It has a good aesthetic appeal to it. So really loving the place and I would 10 on 10 recommend everyone, especially if you're coming in a group on bikes. You can keep your bike securely, you can chill out, you have different chilling scenes. So great place, 10 on 10 will recommend. And yeah, that's about it. Now we are off after a long day of journey to have some dinner. And yeah, that's about it. You can see that's the entire hostel. All these are different rooms. So great place, great ambience, great people, and yeah, that's about it. So tune in again for the next part.